Introducing our group member, HIDAYATI binti HARUN, AINA AQHILAH binti ANUAR, NORSHAHFIQAH binti IDRUS, and ATHIRAH IZZATI binti AKTAR APANDI. The case study of Padini holding Berhad Knowledge Management.
Padini Holdings Berhad first started operations with the label name Royal Garments Manufacturers Company, founded by Yong Pan Chon in 1971, which in the service of department retailers. Padini, which a public limited company, built their very own clothes and accessories brands in 1975. Padini in numerous subsidiaries sell men's and women's shoes and accessories, clothing, maternity wear, and more. Padini shops were available in both offline and online shops.
The first implementations of the knowledge management is the knowledge management tools. It is a technologies or system that facilitates internal or external sharing of information inside an organization. For Padini, they use the social software tools which it help Padini to manage their social media channels. For example, Padini have the Instagram at Padini_my and Facebook at Padini Holdings. These social media accounts help them interact with their customers. Next, they also use a content management system, same as it is an electronic content, to handle business website from publishing and maintenance. For example, Padini have their website at padini.com and Padini Corporate.
Next, I will be presenting about the knowledge acquisition. So, what is knowledge acquisition? So, it is the process of obtaining domain-specific problem-solving expertise from a knowledge source and expressing it in machine-manipulable form. It is known as knowledge acquisition. So, how knowledge can be obtained? It can be obtained from a variety of sources, including customers, suppliers, retailers, and partners, as well as through a variety of activities in that company. So, in terms of Padini, they are also applying various of knowledge acquisition to run their business smoothly. To make sure their business is expanding, they use the approach of in preparation for the digital age. The company itself is using the Amazon Web Services (AWS) to host and grow its e-commerce online shop. It is to make sure that Padini are up to date about the development of online shopping that become the current trend towards this moment.
Knowledge sharing is the process of transferring knowledge from a person to another in an organization. From the knowledge sharing, it helps for profitable and stable production. This practice helps the organization in expressing their commitment to sustainability in business. For example, Padini staff share their perspective on major challenges to help them overcome any obstacles in business.
Any feedback, either positive or negative, can be directly channeled to Padini, such as a user made a comment on Padini Instagram, asking them to check on their direct message as there is something that needs their serious attention. Padini also had a survey form to ask the customers' opinion about their operation during COVID-19, and a lot of customers gave their opinions. And the use of the knowledge management tools also help employees to express their complaints and feelings through labor management relations.
Referring to the evaluation of knowledge acquisition that we can see on the perspective of the customer, Padini can evaluate their own customer by providing the best product, which means the quality brand, to their customer. Next, the evaluation that can be stated is that Padini has expanded its business by establishing more than 140 stores throughout 2019. Next, based on the evaluation of knowledge sharing on the customer service perspective, knowledge sharing can be applied through complaints received by customer. Through this, the customer service department will share all the feedback on the customer to their staff in that department. For example, the Padini has been resolved the problem from the Johor customer outlet, which is the security accused him stealing a jacket.
The first challenge in implementing knowledge management tools is the software downtime. It is a situation where the system is error, failed, and unavailable. Users cannot access to the system. and it caused the entire digital production line to shut down. And the second challenge is website crashes due to high traffic. There is risk of data loss and customers are not able to make purchases.
The first challenge that we can see is from knowledge acquisition based on the technology. As we all know, Amazon has helped Padini in creating an e-commerce application where the application will make it easier for customers to buy Padini products online. Then, the other challenges is Padini want to practice to build the shared vision in company. This is because Padini company has a large number of employees in that company based on their own department, so that the leader must ensure that each of their employee makes Padini's vision as a key in doing the job.
In this field, Padini was challenged of being the public limited company. Not to be sharing the business information public, this aspect becomes the opportunity for the competitors to manipulate or steal the idea of the company's future project and implement them even before Padini itself. The impact on profit made by the competitor might also increase better.
There are two suggestions for Padini to improve the knowledge management tools. The first one is to invest in proper website maintenance, such as a content delivery network. These servers set up in multiple locations, so when one server goes down, another server can manage that and customers will experience seamless transition. The second suggestion is keeping the website pages light. Padini need to reduce and simplify the website design. The images and videos can lead to the website become inaccessible and error due to high traffic.
The suggestion for improvement in knowledge acquisition that can be made on the technology perspective is providing the consistent application by their own expertise in their company without resistance from others. Padini must always follow current technology in order to compete with other companies. Next, the other suggestion for improvement in knowledge acquisition is to provide exposure to Padini's vision in the training session that have been provided, such as giving the training about an idea of the performance of Padini's company and always practices a vision when doing work from a positive perspective.
To protect knowledge sharing information, registration as official member club is a must. When it's an official club, knowledge sharing can be done privately only with official member club to follow up the growth of the business. To establish official member club registration should be done with official membership card via online or offline registration.
So, in conclusion, by studying the knowledge management in Padini, we can see how the utilizing of the knowledge management in an organization can drive to expand the company. So, such as Padini itself, from giving service only in a retailer department to become one of the big clothing brand in our country and also internationally. Moreover, during this pandemic of COVID-19, by managing the knowledge for the use of company, operation can be sustained. The sale, even there are so many restrictions need to be faced that make the customer choose to buy online more than the offline at the physical store. But that is not a challenge since Padini have a lot of knowledge for managing their business smoothly.